following is a weather alert for the following county: Yellowstone, Montana. The National Weather Service in Billings has issued a flash flood warning for central Yellowstone County in south-central Montana until 10 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:56 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain just north of Shepherd and Warden, including Razor Creek and Pompey's Pillar Creek. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Wharton, Valentine, Shepherd, and Pompey's Pillar.
If you decide to drink from the hose, be sure to let
by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and include the city of Billings. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Yellowstone, Montana. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Pierce County, southwestern Dunn County, southeastern St. Croix County until 11 p.m. At 10:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Woodville, or 14 miles east of River Falls, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Elmwood around at 10:30 p.m. Map around 10:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Menominee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Dunn, Pierce, and St. Croix.
I mean, we had a jail in Veteran Stadium downstairs. I mean,
the National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, Robertson County in Middle Tennessee until 12:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:29 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Memphis Junction to 6 miles southwest of Russellville, moving south at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Springfield, Hendersonville, Goodlettsville, White House, Millersville, Greenbrier, Coopertown, Westmoreland, Ridgetop, Cross Plains, Portland, Orlinda, Mitchellville, Bethpage, Oak Grove, Leadville Creek State Park, Cottontown, and Blackjack. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 102 and 121. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Near Memphis Junction to 6 miles southwest of Russellville, moving south at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and vehicle-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Springfield, Hendersonville, Goodlettsville, White House, Millersville, Greenbrier, Coopertown, Westmoreland, Ridgetop, Cross Plains, Portland, Orlinda, Mitchellville, Bethpage, Oak Grove, Bledsoe Creek State Park, Cottontown, and Blackjack. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 102 and 121. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Heard 'em all, 8 times or 2. Ain't none about a girl like you.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeast Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Gallatin, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Lebanon, Madison, Hendersonville, Mount Juliet, Goodlettsville, Millersville, Lakewood, Hermitage, Rural Hill, Melissa City, Old Hickory, Green Hill, Percy Priest Lake, and Gladeville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
The notion of this was some kind of
a severe thunderstorm was located near Gallatin, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Lebanon, Madison, Hendersonville, Mount Juliet, Goodlettsville, Millersville, Lakewood, Hermitage, Rural Hill, Melinda City, Old Hickory, Green Hill, Percy Priest Lake, and Gladeville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Every project is 100% on time, 100% guaranteed, and 100% raw. Invest in your family and your home. Invest in a kitchen with 3-day kitchen and bath. 3-day kitchen offers a 100% satisfaction.
Service in Nashville has issued a storm warning for Rutherford County in Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Cannon County in Middle Tennessee, until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles west of Franklin to near Nolensville to Walter Hill, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Franklin, Smyrna, Brentwood, La Vernie, Nolensville, Thompson, Walter Hill, Eagleville, Las Gases, Christiana, Natchez Trace at Highway 96, Trioon, Rockville, Bradyville, and Maryville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
lingers day in and day out.
Homes were located along a line extending from 7 miles west of Franklin to near Nolensville to Walter Hill, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Franklin, Smyrna, Brentwood, La Vernie, Nolensville, Thompson Station, Walter Hill, Eagleville, Las Gases, Christiana, Natchez Trace at Highway 96, Triune, Rockvale, Bradyville, and Rarityville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Navage, N-A-V-A-G-E. He knows healthy life.
I can't wait for what's next.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, central Maury County in Middle Tennessee, southern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee until 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fairview to 9 miles east of Thompson Station, moving south at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted in Columbia, Spring Hill, Thompson Station, Chapel Hill, Santa Fe, Williamsport, I-65 east of Columbia, and Leapers Fork. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
A lot of you.
Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fairview to 9 miles east of Thompson Station, moving south at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Columbia, Spring Hill, Thompson Station, Chapel Hill, Santa Fe, Williamsport, I-65 east of Columbia, and Leapers Fork. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Forward by the Biden administration. Forget about banning guns or gas-powered cars. We could soon see a total ban on cash itself, thanks to the launch of a new technology called FedNow. It's an attack on our cash, but it's also an attack on your privacy, on your ability to spend your money when and how you see fit. Soon you may not be able to buy a cup of coffee without...
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, southern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Coffee County in Middle Tennessee, Bedford County in Middle Tennessee until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 13 miles east of Spring Hill to 8 miles southwest of Murfreesboro to 10 miles southeast of Walter Hill, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Shelbyville, Chapel Hill, Wartrace, Eagleville, Bell Buckle, Christiana, Beechgrove, Fosterville, Rover, Eden, Rockvale, Farmington, and Unionville. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 79 and 107. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
During 2020 and 2021, you may be entitled for up to 20...
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 13 miles east of Spring Hill to 8 miles southwest of Murfreesboro to 10 miles southeast of Walter Hill, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Shelbyville, Chapel Hill, Wartrace, Eagleville, Bell Buckle, Christiana, Beech Grove, Fosterville, Rover, Season, Rockvale, Farmington, and Unionville. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 79 and 107. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Kids proficient in reading and math? I mean, how do you fail on such a spectacular level? And yet the teachers unions continue this power, this stranglehold over the Democratic Party. You know, it's all related to money and donations that they give to the Democratic Party. And it's Republicans that have said, no, we believe in choice in education. We believe in competition. You know, we believe in school vouchers. We believe in charter schools. Anything that's going to... Smoochy, talking mushy about nothing. It's my Christian belief that every child is created by God the Father, and that inside of every...
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, East Central Maury County in Middle Tennessee, Bedford County in Middle Tennessee, until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Shelbyville, moving south at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Shelbyville, Lewisburg, Cornersville, Wartrace, Bell Buckle, Normandy, Belfast, Season, Rouse, and Farmington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
I have more energy now than I did when I was in my 40s. It's brought back my life to me, and it's given me the...
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, Western Macon County in Middle Tennessee, Western Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Portland, or 19 miles north of Gallatin, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Hartsville, Hendersonville, Westmoreland, Portland, Mitchellville, Cottontown, Bethpage, Elk Grove, and Vallejo Creek State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Preview audio.
7 miles northeast of Portland, or 19 miles north of Gallatin, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.